everyone, welcome back to our channel Shine Creations. Hope you all are doing good by God's grace. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make mushroom pepper fry. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe, I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. You can also take ghee, minced garlic, 1 onion, 1 capsicum, half teaspoon of salt, pepper masala powder, 200 grams mushroom. Firstly, in a small mixie jar, take 1 tablespoon of pepper, half teaspoon fennel, half teaspoon cumin and half teaspoon coriander seeds. Blend to fine powder without adding any water and keep it aside. Now add minced garlic in the oil. You can also add some curry leaves and red chili along with it. Saute until garlics are soft and then add 1 medium sized onion. Saute until onions shrink slightly and moisture is released. Now add 1 capsicum and fry for 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon of salt. Further, add 200 grams button mushroom. Cook until mushrooms are golden and tender. Now add the prepared pepper masala powder. Mix it well, making sure all the spices are well coated. Finally, mushroom pepper fry is ready.